Hey guys, this is the Game Online here, and welcome to this new video on FIFA 17. Pretty much, what my dog was out then. Sorry, because it's sent a hailstorm or rain, I don't know, I think it's hailstorm though. Pretty much, this is my team that I got iCardy there if you couldn't see. It's got 85 chemistry, 89 rating. Oh yeah, the reason why I couldn't show you my De Bruyne, Willian, I think I couldn't show you my Mascherano. That was because I got them like 2 minutes ago, but I got De Bruyne last night right before I was going to bed. So who makes a video right before they're going to bed? Like, it's okay if it's in a vlog or whatever, but yeah. Now I'm gonna just open some packs. Now I'm doing the breakfast pack because I've got some breakfast in front of me. I'm looking for someone like Roberto Carlos. No. That's what I always wonder. How much would Pele and Carlos worth for in FIFA? Oh, here's my breakfast. Just to prove that I am eating it. I don't know why I was thinking of Pogba then though. Because he plays for Man United, not Juventus. That guy looks dead fresh in that picture, but no. He doesn't look that good. I've got him, he's pretty good him. Well, not on pitch, but you know. He's a bro, I guess, but he's good on the fence as well, but he's not really too special. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, drop a like. Let's see if we can get 3 likes on this video. And I'll see you guys later. Go. Bye. Oh, by the way, I just saw fake grandma sound. Like, I'll end this video with this pack. Oh my god, Ivanovic. Still good on defense, but bye guys.